Welcome to the tutorial on how to set up your Seoclerks seller account. Seoclerks were originally created for outsourcing SEO services. It has evolved, and now freelancers can offer a large variety of services: link building, art and design, content and writing, programming, guest posting, virtual assistant, and much more. In this video, you will learn how to create an account, set your seller profile, and how to open your first gig. So, let's start. Click on the button below or on the link in the description to get started. Click on Join button on the top left corner. Enter your username, email, and password, and click on Continue. Write relevant tags and click Join. Now you have an account on Seoclerks. To set up your profile, click on this icon. In the drop-down menu, go to Settings and Upload Background Image. And your profile picture. Check the other options and be sure to enter your payment details to be able to withdraw your money using PayPal, Payoneer, or Payza. That's it, your profile is ready. Now to offer your services, click on Seller, then Seller Service. Fill out this form. Upload image or video. Enter a catchy title. Select category. Add tags. And click on Continue. Add your pricing. Contrary to other freelancing platforms, pricing starts at $1 and you can sell gigs for up to $999 over time. Write or paste a good description. Tags, title, and description are important to get found by your future clients or customers. Add your requirements. It's all the necessary information that a buyer must provide while placing an order, so it's very important. Click on Submit. You can see your gig by clicking on Preview button. That's it. Now you can get paid for freelancing jobs while working from home.